1995 Mazda Miata MX-5. Nice looking convertible. Black on charcoal, or black on black if you will. Powered by that 1.8 liter dual overhead cam, inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood. 5-speed manual transmission. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. There is a little dinger up here I wanted to point out. So I mean the black paint, it's going to show a little bit of age. There's a few rock chips here and there up front, but overall, car shows well. Be a fun summertime car without breaking the bank, going to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the passenger side. You can see the paint has a nice luster to it, reflection coming off of it. So it's not that it shows bad, there's just some imperfections here and there. It is black. Top is a black vinyl top. At the end of the video, I'm going to put that up. We're going to take a look at that. It's free of rips, tears, holes. Also looks like it's in good shape. Take a look at the top of the dash. No cracking. Nice parade boot or convertible top cover, if you will. Fits nice and snug. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there as we take a peek up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see nice reflection in that black paint. Riding on the factory wheels. Take a little closer look at this interior. So cloth buckets. Manual windows. Car is equipped with AC, although I did have it going a little earlier. I don't know how cold I would call it. A little bit of wear in the bolster on the cloth, but kind of what you'd expect for the miles and condition of this car. Again, remember, clean Carfax. Confirmed miles, and let's check those out. Fired up in here, run two while we're out of here. Together, 95,134. No check engine lights, service engine soons, anything like that. Gas gauge is working. Oil pressure gauge, I'm assuming the temp gauge works too. That was a cold start. Aftermarket Kenwood CD, AM, FM player, of course, with your modern amenities too that you're going to get in the digital world these days. No crazy exhaust, sounds like a stock 95 Mazda Miata would. Not smoking anything like that. Looking good there too. I'll tell you what, let's pop the hood. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me pop the hood, show you the engine bay, and then we'll check that top out. Nice and tidy on here considering the age of the vehicle. There it is, 1.8 liter dual overhead cam. 16 valve, inline 4-cylinder, and a nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Engine sounds good, as you'd expect. A lot of miles of summer fun left in this car. All right, and last but not least, I'm gonna close up the hood, turn this off, put that top up, and let's check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Last but not least, take a look with the top up. Nice fit up above the windshield. Again, black vinyl. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Rear window, clear. Easy to see through. Good shape. Again, manual top, easy for one person to put up and down in a matter of, shoot, a minute or less. There you go. Want a little summer fun without breaking the bank. 90s classic, 1995 Mazda Miata. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call Henry.